Did you know that for 12 years, almost nobody actually won McDonald's Monopoly? From 1989 to 2001, Jerome Jacobson ran the most brilliant fraud in fast food history. As head of security for the Monopoly game, Jacobson was supposed to protect the winning pieces. Instead, he stole them. He built a criminal network like something out of a movie. Family members, friends, even the mafia. Every major prize was rigged. The $1 million jackpot, the cars, the cash prizes, all fake winners. Real customers peeling off game pieces had zero chance. The fix was in. Jacobson would hand out winning pieces to his accomplices, then take his cut when they claimed the prizes. $24 million stolen over a decade. The scheme was so perfect it could have gone on forever. But then someone talked. An FBI informant dropped a single tip that brought it all crashing down. Operation Final Answer exposed everything. 53 people indicted. The most successful McDonald's Monopoly players in history were all criminals.